We'll guide you through how to convert layer color in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adjusting colors is a basic but important skill in Krita. Open Krita and begin by preparing your workspace for editing. Click File, then Open to locate your desired image file on your computer. Import your image and wait until it fully appears on the canvas before continuing. Go to the Layers panel, usually found on the right side, and select the image layer to ensure you are editing the correct content. Right-click the layer to reveal additional options, then click Duplicate Layer so you have a backup copy for safe editing. Select the top layer so all adjustments will apply only to the duplicated version. Go to the top menu filter, then click Adjust to access color tools, and choose HSV Adjustment from the list. Turn on Preview so you can see changes in real time while editing. Move the Hue slider to shift the overall color tone and change base color according to your preference. Move the Saturation slider to increase color intensity if you want stronger colors, or decrease for softer color if the image looks too vivid. Move the Value slider next to adjust brightness level and make the image lighter or darker as needed. Balance until natural by carefully combining all three sliders without overdoing any single adjustment. Click OK to apply the effect once satisfied. Check result on canvas and evaluate whether the colors look correct and appealing. If too strong, press Ctrl Z to undo the change and return to the previous state. Repeat HSV adjustment if necessary until you reach the desired look. For non-destructive method, right-click Layer again and click Add, then Filter Mask. Choose HSV Adjustment and adjust again from Mask so changes remain editable at any time. Finally, save and export your image in your preferred format, such as PNG JPEG or other formats depending on your needs, and ensure you review the final image once more before closing the program to confirm everything looks correct.